We're going to be full-time living in this RV until further notice. Me, my husband, and baby on the way, due in February, baby girl. Oh, and we have a puppy as well. But I wanted to give you guys the empty house tour of our brand new 2021 Keystone Avalanche 390 DS. So this is my parents' camper and my parents' truck. We are in Sam's truck right now. And he has to learn how to pull this thing before we go pick up our RV because he's never driven a camper or a fifth wheel. So he has to practice. So it's him and FDD and it's me, Jay Clay, and the pup on our way to Kansas City first and then Oklahoma City.
Then you can drive in his truck and me.
Bye guys. Please be careful. God.
Lord have mercy.
Please be careful, Sam. Picking up the camper. First house purchased is one on wheels, y'all. First set of house keys. This is crazy.
Oh, I know.
Hello!
Oh.
Good, I back into the video.
Hi guys, welcome to my new crib.
You're nipping.
I'm pregnant.
True.
Okay, literally this is how I look today, so.
Oh.
Are you, look at you!
Camera's on you, baby. Look at him cut off sweat.
With
the blue!
Come on.
Oh, okay.
Just don't get too close to me. It's about the house, not me.
All right, so welcome to our Keystone Avalanche 390 DS. 2-bedroom, full-time living. Biggest loft you can get.
The first look.
Wow.
Okay, so I'm gonna walk you guys through what we got going on here. We have a little table here. There is 4 chairs. This is a foldable table, so there's extra storage. You can open these up under here, and they have storage under all the chairs as well. I'm not huge on RV furniture. If I could, I would redo everything in here, but it is very convenient, and everything has like a place. So, looks like this for now. We have these chairs. It is theater seating, so there's cup holders, there's extra compartments inside on all ends. It is leather, there's heated seats, there's massage chairs, chargers, and then there's these lights that you can turn on. It looks really good at night like that. They also recline. So we have full set of windows right here to keep nice and light in the RV. Another pet peeve of mine with RVs is that it's so dark, so I love having this to brighten everything up. We do have 2 bedrooms and a loft, so the master's on this side. Baby's nursery is going to be transformed in there. This is a ladder that pulls out so that you can get up to the loft. The loft is surrounded by windows. Right now there's 2 mattress pads in here, but I'm gonna probably transform this into maybe like an office, makeshift playroom. We'll see. And this is the only place in the entire RV that we have carpet. Everything else is hardwood. And then there's this little desk up here as well that I'm gonna, you could put a TV, but I'm gonna put a desk up here. So that is our loft. It's very spacious, and it also adds in a ton of light. And then this is gonna be our kitchen living room area. Love the high ceilings. Sam is 6'5", so it's nice because in any other RV, he's like crouching down. Callie just tried to jump over. We have our TV here. We have a sound system. Sam was playing with this last night. It's honestly cool. We can have sound outside. We can have sound in our bedroom. Surround sound all up in here. And then we have a fireplace. TV also pulls out, so if we're in the kitchen cooking, we can watch it, turn it this way. Extra storage. And then over here we have a 3-burner stove. This first one is just like 1 big burner, and then we have 2 back small burners. We have a oven, extra storage, microwave. There is a wine rack up here, a residential fridge, I think it's called. And I love having this type of fridge because you can stop all the fingerprints. There's handles down here and up here. And then I'll open it up so you guys can see. I love this fridge. And then we have a pull-out freezer. And there's many sections to it. So lots of fridge space. And then right here we just have the double sink. I love how everything is like this light sand color, and then there's black accents. So it pulls in like the appliances like this. You can cover your sink. It's a double wide. You can cover your sink so it looks like a full island, or you can keep it open. We have a pull-out trash system here, double trash, and then all this extra storage. And then with RVs, every one of them do this. They have like this latch system so that it's harder to pull out, which is actually good because it's already baby-proofed. And then right here, we have a bar situation. So I'm thinking my vision is gonna be like coffee bar, maybe like a toaster or something. I want to be minimal though. I don't want to do too much. But then we have lots of extra storage here, ton of storage here, and then this is the front door. So full pan, and then we'll go into our master, and then we'll save the back bedroom for last. Right here we have all the controls for our RV. So slides, awnings, fans, air, all that kind of stuff. So right here we have the double doors. This one goes to our master. This one goes to the bathroom. There's also another door that goes straight to the bathroom. So come on in. This is our porcelain toilet, and it gets the job done. You just flush like that.
Wow.
Okay, so this is our shower. Again, we have the black fixtures, the mirror, medicine cabinet, all this extra storage space. It's tiny, but it gets the job done. We have a bench in here, and then the shower head you can take off in. So that's our bathroom. It slides out to a barn door right here to the master. And we're not gonna be keeping this. I'm gonna be renovating this area for sure. Last night we slept on top of this, and then I'll show you guys under here. The bed lifts up. We have our pillows and blankets and stuff under there. And then we have the two side windows, and then these little side tables. This is considered a RV king. And then what I love, because most closets are extremely small in RVs, we have a really big, nice closet. Again, the sliding doors, full body mirror, and then we have a full clothing rack, storage up here, tons of space back here, and then we'll probably end up putting our washer and dryer in there. And then right here we have this little bench. It opens, extra storage space in there. These are all storage. You can put a TV here and mount it on the wall if you wanted to. Yeah, I'm obsessed with this closet. Go in there and show them the depth of that. It's small, but compared to RVs, this thing is massive. And having this full body mirror is amazing to see the full body outfit. All right. There's a bunch of sawdust and everything around here too because we just got this. All right. Also, I want to show you guys this. So this flaps open. These are like slides. So when we're traveling, it condenses, right?
Yeah.
Why would you laugh?
Because there's no point in showing that.
Okay. Okay, now this is the space I'm most excited for because this is our second bedroom, but we're going to be transforming it into a nursery. That was my biggest thing about moving into an RV is I was like, no, not having my baby's crib in the living room. But we have a full bedroom for her. So you open it up, it's a step down. So it steps down right here. And then we're going to completely renovate this room. We plan on painting on the walls. We plan on making this special. This is a RV queen size. We're gonna completely take this out, put a crib in here, maybe change this to a changing station. I like having the blackout blinds because she'll be able to sleep in here no problem. Tons of extra storage right here also. And then this is gonna be completely taken out, and I would say the crib isn't gonna go past here. So we'll have all this room for a glider or whatever else we need in here. And this is also a sliding barn door. And then she has her own little bathroom, which also has an exit door, which you guys will see from the outside. But toilet, full bath, medicine cabinet, sink, all of that. And then a tiny shower. Sam can't fit in this, he's 6'5". I can fit in it, barely. But this will be perfect for her. And these are the stairs that go out because, like I said, back door. And yeah, so 2 full baths, 2 full bedrooms, loft. This is our inside of the RV. So now we're gonna take you guys to the outside.
Bring you on over here to our outdoor shower.
I literally said, why is it leaking?
You've got the AC drip in your outdoor shower. It's beautiful. Another nice feature on this is you've got the mirror, so when you're backing up, you can see.
That's what that's for?
Yeah.
I was wondering. Hitch.
Here you've got for some big storage for your generators and propane tanks if you have them. This is really nice. I'm 6'5", and you don't ever have to hit your head. Nice. Here you got your auto leveling system, and then under here.
Which is that stuff.
Here you've got your 230 propane tanks. You've got room for 240s as well, which I'm gonna probably do. So here you've got your storage, which connects all the way to the other side. It's pretty big. You got plenty of room. And then here you have 2 lights on each side as well. You can't see right now.
Oh, that's good for if it's at night.
Yeah. And here you've got your water tank system. And there's plenty of room in here, so you don't got to get any elbows or things like that. It's pretty self-explanatory, easy to use.
And we have 3 gray tanks, 2 black tanks.
Yep.
And then the tanks hook up to this when we're camping.
So you have 2 bathrooms in here, 2 bedrooms. So there's your Black Hose Connect right here, and then there's another one back here. And there's 4 slides on this camper, so you got your 3 here and then 1 on the other side. So there's frameless windows on this unit, which is really nice. These are up in the loft. This unit is connected, set up for solar power and 3 AC units, which is nice too. Got more of your frameless windows here, tinted. Your awnings.
These stairs also fold up and go inside when we're traveling.
So here's your storage that goes to the other side.
What's this?
That's for your
Ow.
air vent furnace. You got electric power here. Nice.
Outdoor speakers.
The steps are a big thing. No, they were.
Hydraulic steps.
Looking at this, those are the steps that people love. It's the solid step, right?
Solid step.
Yeah, how they just fold in.
You got your pins right here to come out to adjust the height.
Not like a traditional RV.
And this is really nice right here. Not a lot of RVs have this locking
Secure,
system.
really secure.
Really secure. You know, you ain't going nowhere.
And then we have a screen door with the regular door. The quick technical spiel.
Yeah, the quick technical is, we got hydraulic slide rooms. We're on about 1,500 PSI of hydraulic pumping power into these units with a rack and pinion gear system. We have 60-40 split on the sink.
Okay, so getting an RV, in my mind, I'm like, oh, that's easy. It's way more affordable than purchasing a home. It can't be that hard. Well, there's just some things that I wish they would have taught me in high school or college, or I wish I would have just taken classes as an adult to know what the heck financing and credit and all of this consists of, because that's major when it comes to purchasing an RV. So that's a whole spiel that we can save for another day. Also, this was literally the #1 most demanded RV model out on the market right now. So getting this thing, there's only a few that are available right now in the US. So we had to travel there to Oklahoma City to actually purchase the camper, and there's just so much that goes into it that, again, we'll save for a different spiel. So I am literally getting asked on the daily, why in the world would I move into an RV full-time? And the answer to that is because my husband Sam travels for work. And he is gone probably 6 to 7, maybe even 8 months out of the year, usually, sometimes more and sometimes less. And just with me being pregnant and us expecting our first baby, we want to make sure that he is there for every single milestone. It is so important to him to be a part of the baby's life and to raise the kid along with me by my side. We got rid of so much stuff, so many clothes I donated or got rid of or sold, and we're trying to live this minimalistic lifestyle. I thought that I would be sacrificing. I thought that I would be so sad. I thought that I would literally hate it, but it has been so much fun already. And I know there's going to be some things that are not like the most convenient or the easiest or things like that, but every single thing that I need, I have. And luckily for me, with what I do for work, I can travel anywhere in the world and I can do my work from home. So again, Is it crazy to some people? Probably, but I think this is going to be such a fun and exciting and new chapter in our lives that we're gonna be able to experience together, and I am excited for it. So my parents have been doing RV life, not full time, but they've been doing the RV for a couple years now, and they both love it, and they get to travel all around together, and it's just so much easier and so much cheaper than spending money on hotels or apartments in all different cities. As you guys know, we were getting apartments in different cities that Sam was living in, and it was so expensive for places that did not feel like home. So having an RV, we can make this feel like home, and I'm just so blessed and so lucky that we were able to get an RV that is this nice and this luxurious, and we can make it feel like home. And I'm just excited to do like renovations. Like this behind me, this is not staying. We're gonna do some like shiplap or something right there, and we're gonna redo the entire baby's room and paint it and make it feel so special. And we're just gonna like add our own custom add-ons to everything. Honestly, it has just been so good, and I feel so blessed and so excited. Our first home is on wheels, and it's not what I expected or what I ever dreamed for my life to be, but for this chapter and this season of my life, I feel like this is exactly where I'm supposed to be, and I'm just excited to do life. Guys, that's going to wrap up today's vlog, video, house tour, RV tour, whatever you want to call it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm excited to get back into vlogging and getting into daily life. Vlogs of moving in are coming soon, and just what life looks like in an RV, being pregnant. Guys, I'm almost 5 months pregnant. 17 weeks and 1 day. Baby as big as an onion. She's starting to move, and I have felt her a couple of times. One time, like really prominently. It was crazy. And she can start to hear soon. Next week. Oh my gosh, next week I'll be 5 months pregnant. That's insane. All right, guys, I love you tons a million, really, truly. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.